Alright, I'd like to give you a quick demo of our Bucket Brigade prototype. So we'll go over here. This iPad can be a water source. This iPhone can be a bucket. This other iPad will be a bucket as well. And this iPad over here will be the fire. So we'll take this bucket over to the water source and we will fill it up with water. Then we'll take it to the second bucket and we will pass the water down the line. Then we'll take this bucket over to the fire. We'll pour the water onto the fire and the fire goes down. Now we'll take this bucket back over to the water source. We will fill this bucket up. Let's do a little bit more. And then we'll bring it over to this bucket. Pass the water down the line. You can actually pass it back and forth. Looks like I spilled a little, but you can pass it back and forth. Let's actually get some more water. Do just a little bit. Let's fill it up all the way. Bring it back over, pass it on to the next bucket. Fill that up. And then we'll bring that bucket over to the fire. Pour it on the fire, and the fire goes down. And that is our Bucket Brigade prototype. Thank you very much.